Today, we're diving into 7 real inventions that could literally save your life. Tech designed for survival, not just convenience. From public spaces to remote wilderness, these gadgets are your personal guardian angels. Let's count them down. Let's talk about a game changer in emergency response. First up, the Portable Automated External Defibrillator, or AED. This compact device is designed for ease of use. A device that anyone, even without formal medical training, can use to restart a heart in cardiac arrest. It's about empowering individuals to act quickly and confidently. The AED is remarkably intelligent. It analyzes heart rhythms with precision and delivers a controlled electrical shock, but only if needed, ensuring that intervention is appropriate and safe. What's truly amazing is how user-friendly it is. The AED guides you step by step with clear, calm voice prompts, making the process straightforward even in a high-stress situation. Time is of the essence during a cardiac arrest. With every minute lost, the chance of survival drops significantly by about 10%. This underscores the critical importance of immediate action. That's why having an AED nearby can be transformative. It can turn a bystander into a lifesaver, providing the means to make a life-or-death difference before professional help arrives. Recognizing their value, AEDs are now increasingly common in public places, from shopping malls to airports, making them accessible when and where they're most needed. And the accessibility doesn't stop there. AEDs are even available for home use, offering an added layer of security and peace of mind for families, especially those with cardiac risk factors. Think of the AED as a crucial first step, a true bridge to professional help, buying precious time and dramatically improving the odds of a positive outcome. Next, the Life Straw, a simple portable filter that lets you safely drink from streams or puddles. Its microfilters block bacteria and parasites. No chemicals or batteries needed. Essential for hikers and a game changer for communities without clean water. It's a low-cost, high-impact tool that saves lives worldwide. Imagine this. You're lost, deep in the wilderness, with no familiar landmarks in sight. The sun is beginning to set, casting long, ominous shadows. And to make matters worse, your cell phone shows the dreaded no service message. That's where a personal locator beacon, or PLB, can be a lifesaver. This compact device sends a distress signal via satellite, bypassing cellular networks directly to global rescue teams. It's a direct line to help, no matter how remote you are. To activate it, simply flip the antenna to ensure optimal signal transmission, then press the emergency button. Instantly, your precise GPS location is sent to the appropriate authorities, pinpointing your location within minutes. This allows rescue teams to quickly and accurately locate you, even in the most challenging terrain. However, it's crucial to remember that it's not for casual use. Activating it triggers a full-scale rescue operation, involving significant resources and personnel. For adventurers pushing their limits and remote workers venturing off the grid, it's the ultimate insurance policy, providing peace of mind knowing that help is always within reach. PLBs have turned countless potential disasters, situations that could have ended tragically, into incredible rescue stories, highlighting the power of technology to save lives. Choking can happen anytime, anywhere. If the Heimlich fails, anti-choking devices like LifeVac use suction to clear airways. Just place, push, and pull. The obstruction is out in seconds. It's simple, effective, and can be used on yourself or others. A must-have for homes, schools, and anyone with young kids. In the chaos of a fire, it's easy to overlook the silent killer, smoke. Most fire deaths aren't from the intense heat of the flames themselves, but from the inhalation of toxic smoke and fumes. These fumes can quickly incapacitate you, making escape impossible. It's not the flames that pose the biggest threat, but the invisible danger lurking within the smoke. That's where fire escape masks come in. These masks are designed to give you up to a crucial hour of filtered, breathable air, providing you with a precious window of opportunity to escape to safety. This hour can be the difference between life and death. Slip it on quickly, and its advanced filters immediately begin to block deadly gases and those harmful, suffocating smoke particles that fill the air during a fire. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use, it's like having a professional firefighter's mask, readily available at home or easily packed for when you travel, ensuring your safety wherever you are. A small investment in a fire escape mask provides a real chance at survival in a terrifying fire emergency, offering peace of mind and a vital lifeline when you need it most. Avalanche airbags are backpacks that inflate instantly, making you float on top of moving snow. Trigger the handle, and you become one of the largest objects in the avalanche, increasing your survival odds. It's a brilliant use of physics, cutting avalanche mortality rates by more than half. Essential gear for anyone heading into snowy backcountry. Modern smartwatches can detect hard falls or cardiac events and automatically call for help if you can't. Using motion sensors and smart algorithms, they alert emergency services and send your location. Especially vital for older adults or those with medical conditions, everyday tech, now a 24/7 guardian. 7 inventions, each proof of how tech can save lives and empower us in emergencies. Check the description for more info and links. Consider what could make a difference for you or your family. What other life-saving tech should we cover? Drop your ideas in the comments. Stay curious, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing science.